this is Preacher here with All Things Services Exterior Cleaning. We're back on another project here in New Orleans, and we got our work cut out for us today and tomorrow. So we're going to be doing a couple of things here. We're going to be doing the house wash, which is more of a small apartment wash, because this is a multi-unit complex with, I guess, how many apartments? 3 apartments? 3, possibly 4 apartments. And so we'll be doing the wash of the structure, as well as concrete surface here, basically the sidewalk area, and all the brick around the place, which I just put in the intro of the video. We'll also be doing pure water window washing, as well as interior window cleaning at the end of the project, though. So this is going to be a doozy. Really excited about seeing this project come to life. Check out some before video and stick around for the results. It's going to be good. All right, as you can see, we're up here on the second floor balcony in the front of the house, and there is a ton of black mildew up here on the top. Lots of just dirt and debris gathered here on the porch. And so it's always tricky with these New Orleans houses, because none of these houses are new. These are all old wooden windows, and so there's always going to be a little bit of water seepage, but our goal is to keep it as minimal as possible. So luckily here, the apartment's vacant. It's going to be prepped to be rented again, and so we're going to actually come back tomorrow and do the interior windows after we wash today. So we'll be here to be able to clean up any water or mess that might get inside. So yeah, this is going to clean up really nice. All right, here's the side of the house. You can see the green algae buildup here. It pretty much extends all the way, you know, in spots. You know, it's here. You can see it when you're up close. Of course, this is a tight spot to be washing in. You can see we got to get, there's a back balcony as well. And so luckily the neighbor, Miss Jan, here on the side is really cool. Can allow us to get over the fence here to be able to get a better angle. But you can still see it's just dirty. It's just time for a clean. And so we're going to be freshening this place up, and most likely, you know, because we were able to really talk with Miss Shan next door and explain the process. She'll be calling us as well to get hers done. She really liked hearing what we were saying about our property protection and just the time we put in to getting the job done. So here's take a look at the back. All right, so not too bad back here. Just some dirt and dust. So we'll be getting the brick patio as well. Getting all up there. We'll have to get on that second floor balcony there. A porch, or back porch. And getting all this. Once again, we have access to the neighbor's yard on this side of the house as well. And here's another thing we gotta look out for in these houses. Any house, really. Oxidation. So we can see where that right there is, if you don't do it right, if you end up using high pressure, you're going to make that worse. And what's going to happen is you're going to see these, looks like Zorro went to town on the side of this house, and it's going to make the customers really upset. So they're informed of the oxidation, they understand that, but our process where we use a gentle chemical application and a gentle rinse just to get the organics, the dirt, the dust, the debris off, without furthering the oxidation process or making it look even worse. And it's key. So we explain that process. People are aware of it, but something to note as you continue to quote jobs and do jobs, because trust me, we found out the hard way. All right, we're just getting ready to start the wash here. As you can see, we've Tyvek'd off the planters here in the front, as well as masking off the front door. And if you want to come over here, notice we also did the plants here on the neighbor's porch here, Miss Jan. And so just those little extra things that go a long way to show a customer that we care, not just about the property we're working on, but the property next door as well. And so we actually draped some tarps over the banisters here as well, so you can see. Couldn't help it. They ended up having some touch-up paint done last week, so we're just taking extra precaution to make sure that there's no streaking or any type of issues with that new railing. So I'm gonna get started. Stick around. All right, so we're getting wrapped up on the job here. Just did a little walk around, but you know, you can see just, man, a really good difference on the clean here, especially under this patio. Check this out. Remember the befores, it was really just dirty, mildew, mold, all that stuff going on. And so, man, it cleaned up really, really nice. Now, like I said, you're going to always be mindful of oxidation. You can see this here. No matter what we did with the cleaners or rinsing, it still stays there. It's a paint failure issue is what it comes down to. So we, like I said, you have to let the customer know what's going on with that. That we're here to clean the dirt, the debris, the organics. But oxidation removal, you know, it's going to require a big step. Usually it's just a step you take to repaint. So yeah, came out really, really nice. Got the front sidewalk here. And you can see the front of the house there looking good all the way up the top. So wasn't able to get a ton of footage around the sides as we were cleaning because it's just so narrow. This is how it is over here in New Orleans. Not a lot of space to work with there. So we were able to get next door. The neighbor let us next door to get there to be able to wash from that side. That really helped a lot, but still really challenging. Got soaked. It got, you know, just the whole time you're just wet. And so we're grateful for a little bit of warmer weather today. So, but that's just another job here from All Things Services Exterior Cleaning here in New Orleans, Louisiana. If you have any questions, comments, hit us up below. You know, we'd love to talk with you. We love to just talk about all things washing and encourage people who are out there trying to grow their business as well. So stay motivated, stay focused, stay positive. Get out there today and do some great work, because I've often said this, there's a lot of people doing good work, but great work is in the details. Take care. Till next time.